Why are you still ignoring this cholesterol lowering hack? My name is Angel, and I've been a dietitian for over 10 years. And the hack I'm speaking about is fish. So many people have heard maybe somewhere down the road that fish is helpful in lowering cholesterol, but they ignore the message because maybe they don't like fish or they think it's not for them. And they think maybe a fish oil supplement is going to do them just as well. I have to say, fish oil supplements used to be very much promoted, but the latest cardiovascular guidelines are telling us that, you know what? Supplemental amounts of fish oil are actually there's not enough evidence there to support a certain dose for lowering LDL cholesterol levels. Instead, though, we know that food and the nutrients that it gives us, such as fish and their omega 3 content, is actually beneficial as part of the Mediterranean diet. And so I really want to implore you to think about ways that you can include fish that you would enjoy. Maybe that's something simple like steamed. Maybe it's canned if you don't know how to prepare it. But I really don't want you to ignore the benefits of including foods that are rich in a nutrient instead of going to a supplemental format in this case. I hope that's helpful. Please like, share, and follow for more.